Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. It is your first year syllabus, that is 11th class syllabus for CHSE, CBSE, etc. And in previous lecture we discussed the compound angle, multiple angle and submultiple angle. In this session I am going to discuss some other compound angle formula. Okay, that is CD formula. It is known as CD formula. CD formula. CD formula. CD formula. Okay. Now sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Number 1. Number 2, sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Number 3, cos C plus cos D is equal to cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Again, fourth formula, cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. This is D minus C, mind it. This is D minus C, or minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. D minus C by 2 or C minus D. If you write C minus D by 2, then put minus sign before the product, sign and sign. And these are the remaining compound angle formula. Now we will discuss some problem related to compound angle. Okay, problems based on compound angle formula. Number 1, prove that sin A into sin B minus C plus sin B into sin C minus A plus sin C into sin A minus B is equal to 0. The answer is very easy. So proof left hand side, sin A into sin B minus C plus sin B into sin C minus A plus sin C into sin A minus B. Apply the formula sin A minus B, my difference formula. This is sin A into sin B into cos C minus cos B into sin C. Now here this is equal to what? Right from this, because this space is short. Write this is equal to what? This is equal to sin A into sin B cos C minus cos B into sin C. Again this second term, sin B into sin C into cos A minus cos C into sin A and the last term is what? And the last term is plus sin C into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Multiply the terms. Sin A sin B cos C, sin A cos B sin C, then sin B sin C cos A, then sin B cos C sin A, plus sin C sin A cos B minus sin C cos A sin B. So sin A sin B cos C. Where is here sin A? Here sin A sin B cos C and sin A sin B cos C. Where is present sin A sin B cos C? Sin A sin B. This is sin A sin B cos C. This is sin A sin B. Where sin A sin B present? Sin A sin B present. This and this goes cancel, and minus here sin A cos B sin C. Sin A sin C present. Sin A sin C, sin A sin C. Where? Sin A sin C. Sin A sin C present. So this term goes cancel. Okay. And remaining sin B sin C here. This term goes cancel. So what is answer? 0, which is equal to RHS. Now another question. Another question. Another question. This is your question. Sin cos A into sin B minus A plus cos B into sin C minus A plus cos C into sin A minus B. Left hand side cos A into sin B minus C, cos B into sin C minus A, cos C into sin A minus B. Same concept applied here. This is cos A, this is sin B into what? Cos C minus cos B into sin C. Now this is cos B into sin C minus cos A minus cos A. Here what is sin C cos A minus sin A cos C, and final step is what? Last step is sin C into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Clear? Multiplied by cos A sin B cos C, cos A cos B sin C, plus cos B sin C cos A minus cos B sin A cos C plus sin C sin A. This is cos C, sorry, this is cos C. Okay, cos C. This is sin A cos B cos C. This is cos A sin B cos C. So cos A sin B cos C, cos A sin B cos C. This goes cancel. Sin A cos B, sin A cos B. This term cancel, and this is remaining term. This term and this term cancel. So answer is 0. This is question number 2. And another question. This is your question. Left hand side, sin B minus C by sin B into sin C. Sin C minus A divided by sin C into here sin C into sin A. Sin A. Sin A minus B by sin A into sin B. Apply formula sin B minus C. Sin B cos C minus cos B sin C divided by sin B sin C cos A and cos C sin A sin C sin A plus sin A cos B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B by sin A into sin B. Separate the difference. This is equal to what? Sin A cos C by sin B into sin B cos C. This is sin B into sin C. Cos B into sin C by sin B into sin C plus sin C into cos A by sin C into sin A minus cos C into sin A by sin C into sin A plus sin A into cos B by sin A into sin B minus cos A into sin B divided by sin A into sin B. So sin B goes cancel, sin C goes cancel, and here sin C cancel, here sin A cancel, sin A cancel, and sin B cancel. So what is here? Cot C minus here cot B plus cot A minus cot C minus cot A. So plus cot C minus cot C cancel. This is cot what? This is cot B, and this is sin B cancel. This is cot B. Clear? This is cot B, and cot B sin C. This is cot C by cos C by sin C cot B, and this is cot A, and this is cot C, and this is cot B. This is cot C, and this is cot B, and this is cot A, and this is cot C, and this is cot B, and this is cot A. So cot B, this is cot B plus cot B, and this goes cancel, and this cot A. Here, check it again. Cos by sin, cos C by sin C, cot C. Here cot B, here plus cot A, here minus cot C, here plus cot B, here minus cot B. So answer is what? 0. RHS. RHS. Okay. Now another question. This is the question, tan square A minus tan square B is equal to sin A plus B minus, this is sin A plus B into sin A minus B divided by cos square into cos B. Left hand side, tan square A minus tan square B. So this can be written as sin square A by cos square A. This is sin square B by cos square B. So taking LCM means lossagu. Okay. Cos square A, cos square B. This is sin square A, cos square B minus cos square A, sin square B. This can be written as sin A, okay, sin A cos B whole square minus cos A sin B whole square divided by cos square A cos square B. Now this is equal to what? A square minus B square, A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into this is equal to what? Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Cos A into sin B. Okay. And this is equal to what? By here cos square A into cos square B. So this is equal to what? Sin A plus B. This is equal to what? Sin A minus B by cos square A into cos square B. So it is RHS. Okay. Now another question. Prove that cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree equal tan 54. RHS suppose tan 54. This can be written as tan 45 degree plus 9 degree. Tan A plus B formula, tan 45 degree plus tan 9 degree by 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan 9 degree. So tan 45 means 1 plus tan 9 by 1 minus tan 9 degree, and this can be written as 1 plus sin 9 degree by cos 9 degree whole divided by 1 minus sin 9 degree by cos 9 degree. This is equal to cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree by cos 9 degree whole divided by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree. Cos 9 degree cos 9 cross cancel. This is cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. Okay. This is cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. Okay. And another problem. This is another question, tan 10 degree plus tan 35 degree plus tan degree into tan 35 degree equal to 1. So prove. We can write 45 degree or 35 degree plus 10 degree is equal to 45 degree. Take both sides 10. 10 of 35 degree plus what? This is equal to 10 degree is equal to tan 45 degree. So tan A plus B formula, tan 35 degree plus 10 degree divided by 1 minus tan 35 degree into tan 10 degree equal to tan 45 1. This is equal to what? This is implies sign tan 35 degree plus tan 10 degree. This multiplied, this is equal to 1 minus tan 35 degree into tan 10 degree. So this is equal to tan 35 degree plus tan 10 degree plus tan 35 into tan 10 degree is equal to what? 1. Hence proved. Now another question. This is another question. Take RHS. Sin 2a plus b by sin a minus 2 into cos a plus b, right? So LCM what? LCM is sin a. This is equal to sin 2a plus b minus 2 cos a plus b into sin a. Okay, this will be what? Which formula? This can be applied formula here. 2, suppose 2 cos x into cos y, sorry, sin y is equal to what? Is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Applied by formula. This is formula. So applied here this formula. This is equal to sin 2a plus b minus what? Sin x plus y. X means this is x and this is y. A plus b plus a minus sin x minus y. X means a plus b. Y means what? Y means a. This is a. And this is by whole divided by sin a. This is equal to sin 2a plus b minus a 2a. Here sin 2a plus b minus minus plus a cancel, sin b by sin a. Okay, and this is equal to cos cancel. Here sin b by sin a, sin b by sin a, which is equal to left hand side LHS. Hence proved. So another question. Sin 2a plus sin 2b by sin 2a minus sin 2b is equal to tan of a plus b by tan of a minus b. Left hand side, sin 2a plus sin 2b by sin 2a plus minus sin 2b. What is formula to apply here? Formula sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And what is formula to apply? Sin c minus sin d is equal to what? This is formula, and this is another formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. These two formula are applied. This for this formula and this for this formula. So this is equal to 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2, and this is equal to and cos 2a minus 2b by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2, and this is sin 2a minus 2b by 2, and this is goes cancel, 2 goes cancel. This is sin 2a plus 2 common. So 2 common, sin a plus b, here cos a plus b, cos a plus b into 2 common, 2 cancel, 2 common, 2 cancel. This is cos a minus b by sin a minus b. This is equal to what? This is equal to tan a plus b by into cot a minus b. So this is equal to what? Tan a plus b 1 by tan a minus b. This is equal to tan a plus b by tan a minus b. This is RHS. Okay. Now another question. Now another question. Sin 2a plus sin 5a minus sin a divided by cos 2a plus cos 5a plus cos a is equal to tan 2a. So left hand side is sin 2a plus sin 5a minus sin a cos 2a plus cos 5a plus cos a. In RHS we are required sin 2 tan 2a. So 2a term remain as it. Keep this term as it, and apply this formula to this formula, sin c minus sin d. This is formula sin c minus sin d is equal to what? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. For this we have to use the formula cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this is equal to what? Sin 2a into 2 cos 5a plus a by 2 into sin 5a minus a by 2 whole divided by cos 2a. This is cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos 5a plus a divided by 2 into cos 5a minus a divided by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? This is equal to sin 2a plus 2 into cos 5a plus 6a by 2, cos 3a 5a minus a 4a by 2 cos. This is sin 2a divided by cos 2a into cos 3a, and this is cos 2a, right? And which is equal to what? Which is equal to sin 2a common, sin 2a common, here 1 plus 2 cos 3a. Okay, here cos 2a common, sin 2a common, and here cos 2a common. Cos 2a common, 1 plus 2 cos 3a. So this cancel. This is equal to tan 2a RHS. Proved. Now another question. Prove that sin 50 degree, sin 7 degree plus sin 10 degree equal to 0. Left hand side, sin 50 degree minus sin 70 degree plus sin 10 degree. Apply sin c minus sin d formula. So sin C minus sin D is equal to what? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So this is equal to 2 cos 50 degree plus 70 degree by 2 into sin 50 degree minus 7 degree by 2 plus sin 10 degree. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 cos 120 by 2 cos 60 degree, and this is equal to sin minus 10 degree plus sin 10 degree. 2 cos 60 means what? 1 by 2 into sin of minus 10 means minus sin 10 degree. Okay, minus sin 10 degree plus what? Sin 10 degree. So 2 cos cancel, minus sin 10 degree plus sin 10 degree is equal to 0. Okay, now these are the 10 problems related to compound angle formula. Now some homework. Homework. Two questions homework for you, and another question I will send in PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.